All right, guys. So you had a chance to write three compound sentences and to practice using a comma in one of the fanboys. All right. So this is how I want you to check your work. So you should have three compound sentences, and in the middle you should have a comma in one of the fanboys, different ones because I asked you to use different ones for each sentence. And then you should have that highlighted in blue. Now here's the test. All right, or the check. Cover the glue or cover the blue, and on both sides you should have two simple sentences. All right. Let's see if I did that. You wrote a compound sentence. Okay. Subject, predicate can stand on its own. You highlighted the glue in blue. Subject, predicate can stand on its own. Now, watch. If I did this, if I just took the subject out of the second simple sentence, all right, I no longer have a compound sentence. Okay. And this is where we have to be careful because it still makes sense, all right, as a whole, but it's not a compound sentence. So, for example, if I take the you out of here and I say you wrote a compound sentence and highlighted the glue in blue, all right, that is a simple sentence. It is not a compound sentence. And the way I know this is because if I cover the blue, all right, I am left with you wrote a compound sentence. That's fine. But remember, we took the you out of there and highlighted the glue in blue is not a sentence. All right, so that could not stand on its own. So it's important that you read both sentences out loud to see if they make sense. Okay, and even if it does make sense overall, it does make total sense to say you wrote a compound sentence and highlighted the blue and glue. That is a compound predicate, but it is not a compound sentence. All right, so please don't undervalue the glue check. All right, cover the glue and see if you have two on either side. And what I mean by two is you have two simple sentences. Hopefully this helps. All right. And tomorrow we're going to start looking at semicolons.